just a few of them. There were some juice glasses along with the Catherinomes we got at that awesome estate sale. More glasses here, some of which are vintage, some of which, like the flamingo, are not. Ignore the cord. The cord goes to this lamp, and the cord used to be here where the shade was, but the shade's gone. Anyway, let's go look at what's really, really going to kill us in terms of moving boxes. Let me turn on the light. And here are the glasses in all their glory. I stopped counting at 100, but that was pretty close to the end. Anyway, these were my mother's, these little tiny glasses, which I love. And these are these awesome vintage Delta glasses. I don't know if you can see it, but see all the cities that they served. Super, super cool. Couldn't resist those. This is our collection of Hukilau glasses. The Hukilau is an amazing annual event in Fort Lauderdale. These are just festive glasses that we had to have. Little Coca-Cola glasses. And these are sort of those iconic 60s glasses that I couldn't resist either. These are my very favorite. I love, love, love these glasses. And these are very similar, except my husband put them in the dishwasher. And why you would put teak in the dishwasher, I have no idea. But anyway, they survived, kind of. And then these are these festive little parfait glasses that we used to serve ice cream out of when we ate normal servings of ice cream. These are not glasses, but this is our coffee pot collection, which I love, love, love. We use this one on holidays, and we use this one too just because it's so much fun. And if you see, it stays in there, so it has the little warmer thing at the bottom. And then it goes like this, so you just pour your coffee. Fabulous. Why don't we make things like this anymore? Anyway, even though the glasses are costing us like almost $100 to pack, we figured it was worth it. So, bye for now.